So now let's see how we can work around with adjustment layers inside the Photopea. So to add in adjustment layers, I'm going to go around over here onto the bottom right hand side, and here you can see that new adjustment layer is an option. And over here you can see that I got different options right here. For example, there's color fill as an option. I can go around and choose a color that I like and press OK. Then you got a color fill right here, just like this. So with the color fill, you can go around and then let's see, for example, utilize the blending modes right here in order to go around and apply the color fill right here. And this comes with an alpha channel as well, meaning if I were to go around over here and erase, you can see that it actually goes around and affects out this particular fill color right here. So as I go around and draw, you can see that that is what you have. Let me just go around over here onto preferences right here, just like this, and change around the cursor offset because it is not drawing where it is. So if I were to go around and then draw out, you can see that I can go around and utilize the white to bring everything back as well. So it comes with its own masking as well. Apart from that, you can also go around and bring in a gradient fill. So to do that, you click on this button right here, and apart from that, you simply go around and choose your gradient, as you can see right here, work around with the gradient option, work around with the offset right here, and that is what you have. You can go around and work around with the alpha channel for this as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and swap, and you can go around and erase this out, as you can see, and you can also go around and multiply it out as you want. You can go around over here and then go for pattern fill as well. So you can choose different patterns, change around the angle, scale, and then work around with, of course, the layer right here, just like this as well, and work around with the blending right here, just like that. So that is how you can go around and work around with the color fill, gradient fill, and pattern fill adjustment layers inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.